some more important problems in exercise 6.5. In that problem number 5, find the absolute maximum. Find the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. Absolute minimum value of the following functions. Up to now we discussed the previous problems, local maxima, local minima, maxima and minima by using the first derivative test or second derivative test. Now onwards, this problem, absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. That time, how to do this problem without using the first derivative test and second derivative test. Direct we can solve the absolute maximum and absolute minimum. When they are asking closed intervals they given means absolute maximum and absolute minimum type you can use here. So first problem here, f of x is equal to x cube, given f of x is equal to x cube, derivation with respect to x, derivation with respect to 2x, f dash of x is equal to 3x square, f dash of x is equal to 3x square. Now f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x, what is the f dash of x? 3x square is equal to 0. This is a critical point purpose we are making. F dash of x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is a critical point. In first derivative test, second derivative test also, we used this method only. F dash of x is equal to 0. That is nothing but critical point you will get. After getting critical point, here different method we have to use here. Here what are the closed interval? Minus 2 comma 2. End points, end point of the function, minus 2 comma 2. So now you have to find f of minus 2 and f of 2, f of 0. Minus 2 and 2 critical point. F value you have to find. F of minus 2 is nothing but minus 2 whole cube. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Now 2 cube is 2 substitute in place of x. 2 you substitute, that is 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 8 equal to 0 cube. 0 cube is 0. So now completed. What is the minimum value? Minimum value is minus 8. Maximum value is plus 8. So you have to write here. Therefore, absolute maximum value, absolute maximum value is 8 at which point? At x equal to 2. At x equal to 2. Absolute minimum value is minus 8. Absolute minimum value is minus 8 at x equal to minus 2. So this is the finding absolute maximum and absolute minimum. When they are giving closed intervals, you have to find the end points f value and the critical point. One critical point getting means one you have to substitute. If you are getting two critical points, 2 also you have to substitute, which is minimum, which is maximum. That only we have to find. One more problem I'll explain here. Problem number 2. Given f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x and closed interval 0 comma pi. Closed interval 0 comma pi. Same method. Derivation with respect to 2x. What is the derivation of sin x? Derivation of sin x is cos x. Cos x derivation is minus sin x. Minus sin x. Now critical point purpose, f dash of x is equal to 0. Cos x minus sin x is equal to 0 implies cos x is equal to sin x. We can change this value, sin x by cos x equal to 1. If we are friend, right side, sin x by cos x equal to 1. That is nothing but tan x. Tan is 1. When tan is 1, tan pi by 4. Therefore, x equal to pi by 4. X equal to pi by 4 is a critical point. Now, you observe here critical point finding and the end points and critical point substitute in that f of x. What is the end points here? 0 and pi. So, f of 0 you have to find and f of pi by 4. F of pi by 4. Substitute in the equation. Sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin 0 is 0 plus cos 0 is 1. Answer is 1. Next, sin pi plus cos pi. What is the sin pi? Sin pi value is 0 plus cos pi value is minus 1. That is minus 1. Next, sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. What is the sin pi by 4? Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. That is nothing but if you take the LCM, root 2, 1 plus 1, 2 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Cancel. This value is root 2. F of pi by 4 value is root 2. Now, which is the minimum value? Minimum value is minus, negative is the minimum value, and root 2 is nothing but 1.4 something you will get. What is the maximum value in this one? 1 is there, 1.4 is there. So, this is a maximum value. Now, you have to conclude absolute maximum. Therefore, absolute maximum value equal to root 2. Root 2 only I am writing, root 2 at x equal to pi by 4. At x equal to pi by 4. Now, absolute minimum value. Absolute minimum value is negative 1 at x equal to pi. At x equal to pi. This is the process for finding the absolute maximum and absolute minimum. Sometimes questions they given maximum value and closed interval they given. That time you have to use this method. Endpoints, f of x values you have to find. Derivation with respect to x equal to 0. Critical point you will get. This is a common method, common steps for first derivative test and second derivative test. So pause the video to note it down, and remaining two problem number 3 and problem number 4, do yourself. Problem number 6. Find the maximum profit that company can make if the profit function given by P of x is equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. So maximum profit, maximum you have to find. Profit, every person will think about the profit should be maximum. So that purpose, when it is maximum, what is the maximum value of the profit? So that purpose here, first of all, given P of x is equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. Second derivative test I'll use. How to do the second derivative test? First, derivation with respect to 2x. P dash of x is equal to 41 derivation is 0 minus 72 into 1 minus 18 into 2x, x square derivation is 2x. What is the P dash of x value? Final value is minus 72 minus 36x. So this is the first derivation. Now P dash of x is equal to 0. First derivative equal to 0. Minus 72 minus 36x is equal to 0. If you are simplify, minus 72. 36x equal to minus 72. If you are sent right side. 36 ones are 36 twos are. X equal to minus 2 is the critical point. Now second derivative test, how you will find? Here there is no closed interval, so that purpose normal method. Again derivation with respect to x. P double dash of x is equal to, this derivation is 0, constant derivation is 0, minus 36 into 1. P double dash of x is equal to minus 36. Now critical point is how to substitute in double derivation. Therefore at x equal to minus 2, P double dash of minus 2 is minus 36. Why? Because there is no change. Why? Because this is a constant function. Constant should be constant only. Less than 0 getting less than 0. We know double dash derivation greater than 0 getting, that is a minimum value. Less than 0 getting, it is a maximum value. Maximum value will get. Therefore P of x is maximum at x equal to minus 2. Maximum at x equal to minus 2. Otherwise point of maximum is x equal to minus 2. What we need? Profit. How much profit? At x equal to minus 2 you will get the maximum profit. What is the maximum profit value? Value finding purpose. Therefore P of minus 2. P of minus 2 you have to find. P of minus 2, how you will find? 41 minus 72 into minus 2 minus 18 minus 2 whole square. What is the value here? 41 plus 144. 144 minus 18 into 4. Minus 18 into 4. This value is 185 minus 52. Sorry, 72. So if you are subtracting 113, P of minus 2 value is 113. Therefore maximum profit is 113 units. Maximum profit is 113 units. Like theory problems is there, this type you have to follow. Simple double derivation we are using, double derivation test. So less than 0, this one is very very important. Less than 0 getting maximum, greater than 0 getting minimum. Pause the video to note it. Now onwards, important 3 marks questions. Example 34. Theory question they asked for 3 marks questions. Example 34. Question reading is very very important here. Find the two positive numbers. We have to find the two positive numbers whose sum is 15. Whose sum is 15 and the sum of whose squares is maximum. Sum of whose squares is maximum. For that purpose, first I'll take, we don't know the values. Let required numbers x and y. I don't know the two numbers, I am taking as a two numbers x and y by given x plus y is equal to 15, whose sum is 15. Sum should be 15, and the sum of whose squares is maximum. Sum of whose squares is maximum. Indirectly they are giving here function. So that function how we'll write? And f of x is equal to x square plus y square. This function maximum number, maximum we have to make. For that purpose, function should be in single letter, that is single variable. So x I am taking, convert the total into x. Y is equal to 15 minus x. Y is equal to 15 minus x. Equation number 1. Now f of x is equal to x square plus y value is 15 minus x whole square. 15 minus x whole square, since from equation 1. Total function should be in single variable. So single variable, you can make the in terms of y also, no problem. X equal to y 15 minus y also you can substitute in terms of y. After this function, here function writing is important. After that, second derivative test we will use. What is the second derivative test? First we have to make the derivation with respect to 2x. Derivation with respect to 2x, f dash of x is equal to 2x. Derivation of x square is 2x plus, same method you apply, x square derivation is 2 into 15 minus x, and x place we have 15 minus x. 15 minus x derivation is minus 1. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 2 into 15 minus x. Now simplify this one. F dash of x is equal to 2x minus 30 plus 2x. F dash of x is equal to 4x minus 30. F dash of x is equal to 4x minus 30. After this, what will make? Now f dash of x equal to 0. 4x minus 30 equal to 0. 4x is equal to 30. X equal to 30 by 4. 2 2s are 2, 15s are. X equal to 15 by 2 is the critical point. X equal to 15 by 2 is the critical point. So double derivation you have to make for this one. F dash of x is equal to 4x minus 30. Again derivation with respect to x. F double dash of x. F double dash of x equal to 4 into 1 minus 0, that equal to 4. X derivation is 1, 30 derivation is 0. Total will be 4. This critical point you have to substitute here. F double dash of 15 by 2 is equal to constant greater than 0. Greater than 0 you are getting. Here question is not maximum. Here question is minimum. Question I wrote wrong here. Question is minimum. So greater than 0 getting. Therefore, f of x is minimum. Minimum at x equal to 15 by 2. So minimum value is x equal to 15 by 2. 1 implies y is equal to 15 minus 15 by 2, that is equal to also 15 by 2. Therefore, required numbers are 15 by 2 comma 15 by 2. So minimum asking here. So minimum when you get a f double dash is greater than 0, then the function is minimum at that critical point. So x equal to 15 by 2 getting, y is equal to also 15 by 2. So this is the process for finding the theory question double derivation method. So pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 13 in exercise 6.5, important 3 marks question. Find the two numbers. Sum is 24. Sum is 24 and whose product is larger. Larger is nothing but maximum. So you have to find the two numbers, positive numbers, that you have to take first. Let required numbers x and y, required numbers x and y by given sum of the numbers is 24, sum of the numbers is 24 and function f of x is equal to product should be maximum or larger. So product you have to make the two numbers product x into y. So function is in terms of single variable. For that purpose y is equal to 24 minus x we can take as a equation 1. Substitute here x into 24 minus x since from 1. We observe here total single variable, equation convert into single variable. This should be larger. Larger means how we will find? Same. First of all simplify, make 24x minus x square. 24x minus x square. Derivation with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 24 into 1 minus 2 into x. 24 into 1 minus x square derivation is 2x. Now, first I'll write here, beside I'll write it. Now, f dash of x is equal to 0. What is the f dash of x? F dash of x is 24 minus 2x. 24 minus 2x is equal to 0. 24 is equal to 2x. Cancel. X equal to 12 is the critical point. Critical point. Now, again derivation for equation, above equation with respect to x. F double dash of x is equal to 24 derivation is 0 minus 2 into 1. Therefore, f double dash of x is equal to minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Critical point you have to substitute there. Therefore, f double dash of 12 is equal to minus 2. Negative getting. Negative getting means function should be maximum. Function should be larger at x equal to minus x equal to 12. X equal to 12. Critical point. Therefore, f of x is larger at x equal to 12. Larger or maximum also same only, at x equal to 12. Therefore, 1 implies y is equal to 24 minus 12. X value substitute here, y value will get. Y value should be 12. Therefore, the required numbers 12 and 12 comma 12. Sum of the two numbers is 24. You can observe it. 12 plus 12 is 24. Product should be larger. 12 into 12. 144 you will get. That is a larger value. Satisfy the given question. So this is the way of finding the required numbers. Pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 14. This is also important for 3 marks. Find the two positive numbers x and y. X and y, they are only given. No need to take let required numbers x and y. They are only given such that sum of the two numbers x plus y equal to 60 degrees and xy cube is maximum. This is a function. This function should be maximum. X and y values we have to find. Solution. First of all, given x plus y is equal to 60 and this I am taking as a function. F of x is equal to xy cube. xy cube. This problem I will do in different method. X value I will substitute 60 minus y, equation 1. So this will become f of y. F of y. Total convert into this function, convert into single variable. I am not converting into x variable. I am converting into y variable. Why? Because you see here, if you are substituting y value 60 minus x whole cube, a minus b whole cube simplification you have to make and lengthy process that is. So that purpose I am using this method. This easily will get f of y is equal to 60 y cube minus y power 4. Y power 4. So derivation with respect to 2. Here variable y is there. So y I am taking as a dependent variable. Independent variable is y. So derivation with respect to y. F dash of y is equal to 60 into y cube derivation is 3y cube, 3y square minus 4x cube minus 4y cube, y cube. Y dash of f dash of y is equal to 180 y square minus 4y cube. 180 y square minus 4y cube. Now f dash of y equal to 0. 180 y square minus 4y cube is equal to 0. Y square take common. 180 minus 4y equal to 0. Y square is equal to 0 or 180 minus 4y equal to 0. 4y equal to 180. 4 4 is 16. 4 5 is 20. Y equal to 45. Here y equal to 0. But question is maximum. If you are taking y is 0, total will be 0. That is a minimum, not maximum. So don't take y equal to 0. Only have to take y equal to 45. Now f dash of y is equal to 180 y square minus 4y cube is there. First derivation. So again derivation with respect to 2x with respect to 2y with respect to y. F double dash of y is equal to 180 into 2y minus 4 into 3y square. This is 360y minus 12y square. F double dash of y value. So double derivation finding completed. After that, what will make this y value substitute in place of y? You have to substitute 45. 360 into 45 minus 12 into 45 minus whole square. This simplification, if you are making 16 200 minus 24 300, this is negative 8100. F double dash of 45 is less than 0 getting. Number how much getting, no need. Less than getting means it is a maximum value. F of x is maximum at x at y equal to 45. At y equal to 45, function is maximum. This one maximum we have to find. Y equal to completed. X value we have to find from this. X equal to 60 minus 45. X equal to 15. Y is equal to 45. Therefore, required numbers x equal to 15, y is equal to 45. So same method, but here what is a change here? Here just a variable change. Previous problems we discussed with x variable. Here discussion with y variable. Why? Because simplification easy purpose. So pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 15. Find the two positive numbers x and y such that sum is 35. Sum is 35. That is nothing but x plus y is equal to 35. And the product given. Function is f of x is equal to x square minus x square into y power 5. It should be maximum. So similar way, y value you can substitute or x value you can substitute. You can do any way. But UV formula you have to apply here. UV formula. Why? Because x square is there, y power 5 is there. UV method you apply and the simplification. Previous problem same. Do your analysis. Next, problem number 16. Find the two positive numbers whose sum is 16. Sum is 16 and sum of whose cubes is minimum. So first of all, let required numbers x and y by given what they given, sum is 16 and function f of x is equal to x cube plus y cube. Total convert into single variable. X cube plus y is equal to 16 minus x. Equation 1. 16 minus x whole cube 6 from 1. Derivation with respect to 2x. Derivation with respect to 2x. F dash of x equal to 3x square plus 3 into 16 minus x whole square. This derivation is minus 1. F dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square. Now, f dash of x equal to 0. F dash of x equal to 0 means 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square is equal to 0. 3x square equal to 3 into 16 minus x square. 3 get cancelled. Here x square is equal to 256. 16 ja a minus b whole square formula. 256 plus x square minus 32x. X square get cancelled. 32x equal to 256. 32 8 ja 256. X equal to 8 is critical point. X equal to 8 is critical point. Now we have to find the double derivation. F dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square is there. Again derivation with respect to 2x. Again derivation with respect to 2x. What you will get? F double dash of x is equal to 6x minus 3 into, this value is 2 into 16 minus x minus 1. F double dash of x is equal to 16 minus into minus plus 6 into 16 minus x. F double dash of x is equal to 6x plus 96 minus 6x. 6x get cancelled. F double dash of x is 96. Now critical point you have to substitute here. Therefore f double dash of 8 is equal to 96, positive getting greater than 0. Therefore f of x is minimum at x equal to 8. Minimum at x equal to 8. 1 implies y is equal to 16 minus 8, that is 8. The required two numbers are x equal to 8 and y is equal to 8. This is the important concept and important problem in this exercise. So pause the video to note it down.